Cooking a meal that's easy, tasty, and of course in your own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Side Guy Cooks, we have a easy and tasty recipe for you with sausage, chicken, black bean, and rice bake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the filling. Butter makes everything taste better. Time to add the rice. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 10 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Reset your timer for 5 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Sausage making dates back over 5,000 years. The earliest known records come from Mesopotamia, where the Sumerians stuffed salted meat into animal intestines as a preservation method. Thanks to trade, colonization, and migration, sausage making techniques spread worldwide. Each culture adapted the concept using local meat, spices, and traditions. That looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. While the tender chicken breast, smoky sausage, earthy black beans, and fluffy rice come together with savory seasoning and melted cheese to create a baked casserole recipe that's perfect for family dinners and other gatherings. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one easy and tasty dinner. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.